Buongiorno, baddies. Welcome back to another video. Today's first question is, two dogs run around a circular track 300 feet long in the same direction. One dog runs at a steady rate of 15 feet per second, the other at a steady rate of 12 feet per second. Suppose they start at the same point and time. What is the least number of seconds that will elapse before they are together again? So, think about it like this, okay? So, these two dogs are on a circular track, right? That is more of a top of a cylinder. Okay, well, they're running around a circular track. So, this is dog one and, this is dog two. And they start at the same point in time, all right? But dog one is slowly, even though they're running at the same time, dog one is slowly gaining 3 feet on each because he's running at 15. Or she, or they, or whatever they identify as. But they're running at 15 feet per second, which is 3 feet more than the second dog's 12 feet per second. Which means that they're going to be slowly gaining 3 feet per second on the second dog. So that means that they're going to be slowly gaining, like a grandma's head. Just slowly gaining 3 seconds. And then he's going to finish the lap first, obviously. It's basically asking how long it's going to be before the first dog, completely laps the first dog. Well, the first dog completely laps the second dog, sorry. Which is basically when the first dog is going to start all over again before the second dog is able to start all over again. So thinking that in mind, if they are 3 feet apart and he's slowly gaining 3 feet on them, then we just divide the 300 feet track by the first dog's 3 feet in order to get 100 seconds is when it's going to completely lap the second dog. I hope that makes sense. So yeah. 100 seconds. The second question. A train traveling at 30 miles per hour reaches a tunnel that is 9 times as long as the train. If the train takes 2 minutes to completely clear the tunnel, then how long is the train in feet? So, when we jump right into this and start solving, you might be like, oh, well, 2 minutes is since 2 minutes is 1/30th of an hour, that means that 1/30th of the mile per hour, so the train it's 1 mile, right? It's 1 mile. The tunnel is a mile long, and then you divide by 9, right? Well, you were right about the first half, but the second half is slightly different. Because thinking about if this is the tunnel, right? And then this little yellow highlighter is the train. When the train first gets into here, its head first enters the tunnel to the time where the butt first leaves. When it says that it's 9 times the train, that means that the train is only here when it says that it's 9 times long. But it's saying it takes 2 minutes to completely clear the tunnel, so no part of the train is still left in the tunnel. So thinking that in mind, that means that the train is supposed to be here once it completely leaves the tunnel. Its butt isn't even inside anymore. So if we take that means that there are technically 10 train lengths, which is 9 train lengths inside of the tunnel, and 1 train length to completely pass the tunnel, which means that we actually have to divide by 10. And since 1 mile is equivalent to 5,280 feet, that means that when we divide by 10, you get 528 feet as the length of the train. Butt topic. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something new. And I will see you all on the next one. Ta-ta!